Please be seated, students. Good morning, honorable dignitaries, fellow faculty members, and my dear students. It gives me immense pleasure to extend a warm welcome to all of you together as family of IAPUC to mark another landmark of success. On this pleasant and joyful morning of orientation program for the batch 2021-23. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world, said Nelson Mandela. So to move ahead and to reach another milestone of your life successfully, you students are here. To be precise, you all are safe and secure in the hands of highly experienced teachers and mentors. With this note, we shall begin today's program. Light signifies the presence of Almighty. Light is a symbol of truth, knowledge and understanding. Light shows us path of future. To lead us through the right path, may I request our dignitaries to come forward and light the lamp.
सर इकड़े बंद सर टाटा
May I request the dignitaries to kindly occupy their positions on the dais?
सर
May I request Professor K. Kalyana Sundaram, Department of English, to come on stage and deliver the welcome address.
Very good morning to everyone present here. Pranam to our dignitaries, our chairman, Dr. T. Somashekar, our secretary, Bharati ma'am in her absentia, our COO, Dr. Srinidhi Parthasarathi, our director, academic excellence, Professor Surya Narayana, our PU principal, Professor J. Rajeshwari ma'am, and other HOIs and teachers. Every time I engaged the first year students this year, my first words used to be, kindly mute your mic. So today I am holding back from my usual practice, and good to see everyone in our auditorium. I welcome you all. I remember in one of our online bridge course session, I asked you students about the books that you read in your school days. I was happy to learn that some students mentioned they had read Wings of Fire, written by our late President, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. In this book, the late President wrote, to succeed in life and achieve results, you must understand and master three mighty forces: desire, belief, and expectation. So you have to have the desire to achieve your goals in the first place, and then you have to believe in yourself. And the third one, the expectation, is a powerful magnet drawing places, people and opportunities to achieve your goals. My dear students, I want you to consider our dignitaries as the metaphors for the three mighty forces. What I mean is, you don't have to look outside for inspiration. The very institution that you belong to now is the brainchild of our chairman, Dr. T. Somashekar. We welcome you, sir. I call upon Professor Girish of Kannada Department to welcome our chairman with a sapling.
Peter.
Bernard Shaw, a great dramatist of the 19th century, referred to the authors of good books as not just the humans who write them, but the spirit in them that writes. I always think of this when our COO picks up the mic. You all will realize later that it is not just our COO, but a supernatural spirit speaking to you all. We welcome you, sir. I call upon Dr. Raghupati, sir, Department of Physical Education, to welcome our COO, sir, with a sapling. We are fortunate to have Professor Surya Narayana as our Director, Academic Excellence. We welcome you, sir, and I call upon Professor Satish Kumar, sir, to welcome Professor Surya Narayana. Most of you students are by now somewhat familiar with our principal, and I'm sure you, along with your parents, visited our principal's cabin and discovered the affiliative smile on her face. We welcome you, ma'am. I call upon Professor Sugandhi ma'am from Department of Commerce to welcome our principal, Professor Rajeshwari ma'am, to the sapling. I welcome all our pre-university teaching and non-teaching staff. A special welcome to our important stakeholders, the students of First PU from all the streams. I also welcome our old students. I thank everyone for the opportunity to welcome you to the orientation program. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for extending such a warm welcome. In order to acknowledge the hard work and dedication shown by the meritorious students who brought laurels to themselves as well as to the institution, the management of IAGI has a tradition of honoring them. May I call upon Professor Lynette Pinto, Department of Commerce, to take up the award ceremony for the batch 2019-20.
Good morning, one and all present here. I feel honored to share the achievements of the brilliant students of our IAPUC. This ceremony will award the meritorious students of 2019-20, and it also marks the progress and success of our PU College. May I now call upon our respected chairman, Dr. T. Somashekar, to do the honors. Sir. The overall topper and the commerce stream topper of 2019-20, Aisha Siddiqa, CBA, who has scored a total of 582 and 97%. She is honored with a memento, a certificate and a cash prize of rupees 3,000. One more topper scored the same marks, 97%, is Divya Singh D. She is an overall topper as well as commerce stream topper. She is also honored with a memento, a certificate and a cash prize of rupees 3,000. The science stream topper of 2019-20 is Abhinaya S, who has secured 92.67%. She is awarded with a certificate, a memento and a cash prize of rupees 1,000. We move on to the combination rice toppers of 2019-20. Abhinaya S from PCMC has scored 92.67%. Abdul Malik TK from PCME was secured 81.5%. Aisha Siddiqa of CEBA was secured 97%. Divya Singh D of CEBA also scored 97%. Jofi Ensign of CSBA, who has secured 95.17%. Vaishnavi Gupta of MEBA, who has secured 85.83%. Now we move on to the subject-wise toppers. Harina P, who has secured 100 out of 100 in statistics, computer science 100 out of 100, also in accountancy 100 out of 100. Harina P.
ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳೋದು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ ಅವ್ರ ಸಾರು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರ ಕಡೆನೇ ಟರ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ
Jofi Ensign secured 100 out of 100 in statistics.
ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅವ್ರು ಹಿಂಗೆ ನೋಡಬೇಕು
Avinash M got 93 out of 100 in electronics. Varsha R got physics and Kannada topper. Physics she got 94 out of 100 and Kannada she has secured 96 out of 100. Abhinaya S is a topper in chemistry and maths. Chemistry, she has secured 92 out of 100 and maths 100 out of 100. Shoaib Sharif also secured 100 out of 100 in mathematics. Ume Kulso also secured 100 out of 100 in mathematics. Vignesh M is a topper in economics who has secured 98 out of 100. Aisha Siddiqa is a topper in business studies and accountancy. Business studies, she has got 100 out of 100 and accountancy also 100 out of 100. Divya Singh is a topper in English and Hindi. English, she has secured 95 out of 100 and Hindi 98 out of 100. B. Afreen Kulsun is a topper also in Hindi. She has secured 98 out of 100. Nikhil Christopher also secured 98 out of 100 in Hindi. Thank you, sir, for doing the honors. May I now call upon our beloved CEO, sir, Dr. Srinidhi Parthasarathy. Sir. We are moving on to the distinction holders, and all the distinction holders will be awarded a certificate and a cash prize of ₹500. Aisha Siddiqa, CEBA, who has scored 97%. Divya Singh, who has also scored 97%. Jofi Ensign also scored 95.17%. Raju Rathore, who has scored from CEBA 94.5%. On behalf of Raju Rathore, his mother, Mrs. Vanita, will be taking the award. Kajal S, who has scored 93.33%. Afreen Kulsun has scored 92.83%. Abhinaya S, who has scored 92.67%. secured 92.5%. Shweta G, who has secured 92.5%. Nandana AR from MSBA, who has secured 92%. Harina P, who has secured 91.83%. Divya R secured 91.33%. Varsha R has secured 89.33%. Kushi R has secured 89%. Unay Kulsel has secured 88.83%. Thank you, sir, for doing that. May I now call upon our beloved principal ma'am, Professor J. Rajeshwari, to do the honors, ma'am. Joginder Pratap Singh, who has secured 88.83%. Hiral R. Chavan, who has secured 88.67%. Mohammad Mujahid Zain, who has secured 87.67%. V. Kumari, who has secured 87.17%. A. Abdul Samir, who has secured 86.33%. Jeevan J, who has secured 86.17%. Azaz Singh has secured 86%.
Go fast, Azaz.
Christopher, who has secured 86%. Kishore M, who has secured 85.83%. Vaishnavi Gupta has secured 85.83%. Balaji Manjunath S has secured 85.67%. Roshan Kadroli was secured 85.5%. Aravind Rajesh has secured 85.17%. Jennifer Basilica A has secured 85%. Prerna BV also secured 85%. S. Kirti also secured 85%. Thank you, ma'am, for doing the honors. Congratulations to all the award winners. We are proud of your achievements. May I now request Mrs. Shirley, Department of Economics, to continue the ceremony.
Thank you, ma'am. And good morning to one and all present here. It's my pleasure to announce the meritorious students of the academic year 2021. I request our beloved chairman, Dr. T. Somashekhar, to kindly do the honors. The overall topper for the year 2020-21 is Monisha L. I request Monisha L, PCME, to come forward and receive a cash prize of ₹3,000, memento and a certificate. She is also a science stream topper. Her total score is 588 with a total percentage of 98. Next we have the commerce stream topper, Harshita, with a total score of 571 and her percentage is 95.17. She receives a certificate, memento and a cash prize of ₹1,000. Next we have the combination-wise toppers for the year 2020-21. I once again call upon Monisha L from PCMB to come and receive a certificate. Her total score is 588 and a total percentage of 98. we have Sandhya V with a total score of 573 and she has secured 95.5%. She also received the certificate. Deshik Singh Raj, PCMC. His percentage is 93.5 with a total score of 561. Next we have Harsh Srivatsar from CEBA combination with a total score of 550, securing 91.67%. Ashwini Kumari from CEBA with 550 marks and 91.67%. Harshita A from CSBA. She scored 571 with 95.17%. Mohammad Moinuddin from HEBA with a total score of 492 and he has secured 82%. Next we have subject-wise toppers for the year 2020-21. First, I call upon Mohammad Moinuddin. He is a subject-wise topper for history with a total score of 83. Harshita A is a topper in statistics, computer science and accountancy. She has scored 100 in statistics, 98 in computer science. Next we have Monisha L. She is a topper in biology, physics and Kannada. Sandhya V is a topper in electronics, physics, mathematics. Nandakumar S is a topper in physics. He has secured 98. Chemistry and English. I request on behalf of Deepa, her mother, Mrs. Vasanta, to please come and collect the certificate. Manoj Kumar S for economics. He has secured 91. Saida Kausar M for business studies. She secured 94. Amirul Mavia is a topper in English and Hindi. a topper in English and Kannada. Susanna Annie has topped in English and French. Rohit R is a topper in Hindi, who has secured 100 out of 100. Harsh Srivatsava for Hindi again with a total score of 100. Ashwini Kumari, also for Hindi, with a total score of 100. Audience, please applaud the winners. We will also have Muskan Sultana as a topper in Hindi with a total score of 100. Thank you, sir, for doing the honors for our students. Now, I request our CEO, Dr. Srinidhi Parthasarathy, to kindly do the honors. We have a set of distinction holders for the year 2020-21. First, I would like to call upon Monisha L. from PCMB with a total score of 588 and she secured 98%. She receives a certificate and a cash prize of ₹500. Priyanka L. from PCMB with a total score of 587 and a percentage is 97.83. Susanna Amy from PCMB with a total score of 584 and her percentage is 97. Deepa S, PCMB. I request her mother, Ms. Vasanta, to come and receive the prize on behalf of her. Her total score is 573 and the percentage is 95.5. Sandhya V, PCME. Her total score is 573 and the percentage is 95.50. Harshita A from CSBA combination with a total score of 571 and a percentage is 95.17. Chaitanya HS from PCME with a total score of 567 and a percentage is 94.50. Amirul Maria, PCMB, with a total score of 565. A percentage is 94.17. Next we have Nandakumar S from PCMB combination with a total score of 563 and his percentage is 93.83. Desing Raj M from PCMC with a total score of 561. Desing Raj, PCMC 561 is his total score, the percentage of 93.50. Next we have Javeria Fatima, PCMC. A total score is 559 and 93.17 is a percentage. Rakshita H from PCMB with a total score of 554 and her percentage is 92.33. Harsh Srivastav from CEBA with a total score of 550 and his percentage is 91.67.
Good.
Ashwini Kumari from CEBA with 550 marks and 91.67 percentage. Rohit R, PCMC with 549 and 91.50 percentage. Saida Kausar M, CEBA with a total score of 546, 91 percentage. Bhavya R, PCMD with a total score of 544, 90.67 percentage.
उससे बुला सा बोल रहा हूँ वैसे।
Renova Apsa from CSBA with a 543 and 90.50 percentage. Thank you, sir, for doing the honors. Now I request Professor Rajeshri ma'am, our principal, to do the honors. To continue with the distinction holders, we have next V. Preeti from PCMB with a total score of 537 and her percentage is 89.50. Akshaya NS from PCMB, 533 and her percentage is 88.83. Sania Khanam from PCMD, the total score of 533 and 88.83%. Malavi R, CSBA, her total score is 533 and percentage 88.83. Kishan Gurjar, CEBA, his total score is 530 with 88.3%. Husna Ara from CEBA with a total score of 525 and the percentage is 87.50. Umani V from PCMC, his total score is 520 and his percentage is 86.67. Saida Safina from CSBA. She has secured 520 marks and 86.67%. Mary Pavitra L from CSBA. Her total score is 519 and 86.50%. Manoj Kumar S, CEBA, with a total score of 518, 86.33%. Lukman Syed from CEBA with a total score of 518 and he has secured 86.17%. Riaz Ur-Rahman from CSBA combination with a total score of 517 and his percentage is 86.17. Gayatri S from CSBA with a total score of 516, 86%. Dinesh Kumar K from PCMC, his total score is 515 and percentage 85.83. Muskan Sultana from CSBA with a total score of 513 and percentage 85.50. Deepal Thapa from PCMD with a total score of 510 and he has secured 85%. Muhammad Ishaq, PL MSBA with a total score of 510 and has secured 85%. Thank you, ma'am, for doing the honors, and congratulations to all the toppers once again. Give them a huge round of applause. Thank you.
So congratulations to all the meritorious students, and a special congratulations to Aisha and Divya Singh for securing 14th rank in Bangalore North District and 17th rank in the state. I'm wishing good luck for all the meritorious students for your future endeavors. May I now request our Chief Operating Officer, Dr. Srinidhi K. Parthasarathy, to come forward to deliver the orientation speech.
Respected Chairman, Dr. Somshekar, the Principal of IAPOC, Professor Rajeshwari, the faculty members of IAPOC, and my dearest students. It's an absolute pleasure to welcome all of you. Orientation Day is a red letter day in our lives. You are in the threshold where you are coming out of school and going out to your undergraduate degree, and between that is these 2 years. The transformation has to happen in these 2 years. For facilitating the transformation in you, Indian Academy has very carefully put all systems in place. It's an institution which has got a very deep culture. The culture is for the students. Every faculty member exists and breathes for the students. First of all, we would like to thank all your parents who have bestowed confidence on Indian Academy PUC College and admitted all of you. First thing I would like to tell all of you is they have a lot of dreams. So when you are here for the next 2 years, you will have to carry their dreams along with you. Every day, every week, every month, they would want to see you succeeding. So try to collaborate with the teachers who are here, who will see to it that they will fulfill the dreams of your parents. Your parents, your siblings, your guardians are the people who have kept a lot of hopes on you. This is very important. Second aspect is the PUC college is there on your biodata wherever you go. Every action of yours, your achievements would contribute to the legacy of this particular college. We have taken you, we have chosen you, you have been admitted here so that we can collaborate with one intention, that is your success. So your success is our motto and our vision. So let us go together and then fulfill your dreams before you go to undergraduation. Indian Academy PUC College boasts of all facilities what you require. The technical education, the future skills, the computer lab, you can see it for yourself, the tally education which is going to be given to the commerce students are all very well designed. Take the best use, make the best use of these facilities which are there. When I was giving away the awards, I could see a 70-30 ratio between girls and boys, but I see almost a 60-40 ratio in this particular rows. I want many of you to be in that team which comes after 2 years. Many of the boys which come, of course, girls have been performing well, continue to do well. Very importantly, as I told you, that You have a lot of promises to keep for many people. As Robert Frost says, the woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. You have a very clear path to traverse, whether you have taken commerce or science. You have a clear path, your vision is set by the institution. Kindly traverse that path. The teachers will handhold you at every moment and see to it that you are successful. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for your words of wisdom. I'm sure now all of you must be curious to know more about the college. Professor Uddhav Khatri from Department of Maths will present the PPT, while Professor Girish from Department of Kannada and Professor Grace Joshua from Department of English will render the PPT and walk you through the campus by presenting the campus culture. May I request the dignitaries to kindly take their positions off the dais.
Good morning, respected Chairman, Dr. T. Somsekhar, Mrs. Bharati Ma'am, Secretary, IIET in absentia, Dr. Srinidhi K. Parthasarathy, COO, Professor Surya Narayana, Director, Academic Excellence, other luminaries, my dear colleagues and dear students. Girish sir and I, Grace, stand before you all this morning to share about our campus culture. Welcome you all for the Indian Academy Pre-University College First PUC Orientation Program 2021-23.
Indian Academy ಪದವಿ ಪೂರ್ವ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿರುವಂತಹ ಅತಿಥಿ ಗಣ್ಯರಿಗೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಕ ವರ್ಗಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಥಮ ಪಿಯುಸಿ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭೋತ್ಸವ ದಿನದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸುತ್ತೇನೆ.
I am proud to introduce to all of us about the patrons of this esteemed institution. Dr. T. Somsekhar, Chairman, IIET, a visionary, academician, and a dynamic leader.
ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಭಾರತಿ ಟಿ ಇವರು ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಗಳು.
I would also like to introduce our Chief